Have you ever wondered if it is possible to use multiple WhatsApp accounts in your iPhone? Well, in this video, I am going to show you exactly how you can do that. The first step is to download the WhatsApp Business app from the App Store. Once you have got it installed, set it up just like you would your regular WhatsApp account. This app will allow you to log in with a second number. So now you will have two separate WhatsApp accounts on your iPhone, one on the regular WhatsApp app and another on WhatsApp Business. But what if you want to go a step further and use 3 or even more WhatsApp on your iPhone? So here is a simple trick for that. Open your web browser, go to WhatsApp official website and now switch to desktop site mode. Then log in with your WhatsApp account there. This way you can use different browsers to log in to multiple WhatsApp accounts. Now one small issue with this method is that sometime your WhatsApp web session might automatically expire and you will need to relink your device. So if you are looking for a more permanent solution, you could use an app like WhatsApp Chat, which helps keep your WhatsApp web session active for a longer time. However, keep in mind that using third-party apps can come with some privacy and security risk. So it is good to use this app only in emergency or when absolutely necessary. So if you found this video valuable, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.